Hi, I'm Steve Kane, president of Rolling Strong. I wanted to take a few minutes and address a few things. For a long time in the industry, we've all been very aware that there's a problem with the health of our professional drivers, and there's challenges around that. Right? They sedentary far too long, challenges on how they can get enough sleep, lack of healthy choices in the places that they visit. And even the typical or traditional wellness programs are really built for the corporate population, and they don't really offer the access in all cases to get screenings that are necessary to really kind of figure out what the goals might need to be for professional drivers or for anybody within an organization. So you've asked for it, we've built it. We've spent years on building an industry solution that caters to the professional driver but allows the entire transportation community as a whole to engage in the program. We have everything from health and sleep and nutrition and fitness tracking, well-being tools. We've incorporated partners that offer telemedicine, telespine, teledoc. We have insurance plans built into it. We have programs worked out with the federal government that will get you discount incentives back on your FICA, not only for you, but for your drivers as well. We have free programs we can deploy to make this easier for companies that have a challenge of getting the resources or the finances behind a program like this. We've done this because we've listened very closely, not only to the drivers and what their needs are, but we've listened to the industry, we've listened to leadership teams, and we've made every effort to build something that really works. Does it work? Well, go to rollingstrong.com, click on testimonials, and just look at the hundreds and hundreds of drivers that we've helped save their lives. They've lost 100 pounds, they've reduced blood pressure, they've gotten long-term cards on their DOT physical. We're helping change people's lives. This wasn't built by people who were sitting in a building thinking up a bunch of ideas. This is built by people who have lived in this industry for their entire career, who are dedicated to it. I was a professional driver for 10 years. I get it. I know what it's like out there on the road. I've also worked in dispatch and leadership, and I understand the challenges we have to deploy a program like this and get the engagement. But you know what? We're not going to solve this problem by being hesitant. Half measures are not going to avail us success. We need to step up and take a chance. So click on the link, sign up for a demo, and find out which one of the Rolling Strong programs fits your budget, matches up with your resources, and gets you started on doing something to really appreciate your frontline workers and help keep your motor operation working successfully and safely. Thanks for listening. I'm Steve Kane, president of Rolling Strong.